Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's table view for task management, a feature that can supercharge your productivity. First up, let's add a new board. This is where you'll organize all your tasks. Click on the plus sign on the top right corner of your Trello dashboard, then select Create Board. This step is crucial because it's the foundation of your task management system. Now that we've done that, it's time to create lists for your tasks. Click on the Add List button and name it appropriately. For instance, you could create a list for To Do, In Progress, and Done. Doing this helps us categorize tasks by their status, making it easier to track progress. Next, let's add tasks or cards to your lists. Click on Add Card under each list and write your task. Remember to add a brief description and due date to keep things organized. This is great because it allows everyone on the team to know exactly what needs to be done and by when. Now here's where the magic happens. Click on the Show Menu button on the top right, then select More, and finally click on Table View. This transforms your board into a table, making it easier to visualize and manage tasks. This helps us because we can now see all our tasks, their status, and due dates in one view. In Table View, you can sort tasks by due date, status, and even assignee. This is important because it allows you to prioritize your tasks and keep track of who's responsible for what. And there you have it. With these steps, you have set up your task management system using Trello's Table View. It's a game changer for productivity and collaboration. Remember that the key to successful task management is consistency, so keep your board updated and check it regularly. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for joining us, and see you in our next video.